Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Motorola Defy to an Android device. You need to begin by opening Play Store on both devices and installing free app called Send Anywhere. Then click on Open. Following that, you need to tap on I accept, confirm, continue and allow on both smartphones. Then choose Receive on an Android and Send on Motorola. Following that, you need to choose all of those dots over here and tap on Send. This way you can choose all of your files and transfer them later on. It will take a lot of time though, so I will go with this one photo, just Send and click on Got it. Now on an Android, select No Thanks and close this window. After that, we have to wait to connect. As you can see, we can input this key over here and connect our devices by tapping on Receive. But we can also scan this QR code. If you want to do that, tap on this scanning icon on an Android, then select while using the app or only this time in the pop-up and point your device's camera at the QR code. And now my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!